If you're trying to learn print on demand for free on YouTube, there are some incredible classes out there right now, but the problem is some of them are 10, 12, even almost 13 hours long. And let's be honest, most people are not going to sit there, watch everything carefully, and take perfect notes all the way through. So in this video, I want to show you 3 free print-on-demand classes I think you should not miss, and how I have been using an AI tool called Hynote to turn those long classes into notes, summaries, mind maps, and key takeaways that are much easier to review later. And yes, this video is sponsored by Hynote, but honestly, this is the kind of tool that makes sense for this workflow because it's built around capturing information, summarizing it, organizing it, and helping you actually use it instead of just letting it disappear into a giant watch history. So what I like here is that Hynote is not just a basic note app. It supports different types of input like audio, text, images, PDFs, and web pages, and it can generate summaries from that content. It also lets you chat with your notes, which is useful when you want to go back and pull out something specific without digging through everything manually. So for a long learning workflow like print on demand, that means I can take a long class, put out the main points, keep the notes organized, and come back later when I need to review one specific topic. And here is an example of how to use Hynote. I just pasted the link of the first class, and it instantly extracted the whole transcript of the whole video and provided you with options like a brief summary, bulleted notes, mind maps, and also questions that can be answered directly by skimming the video. So for example, if I press on bulleted notes, Hynote is going to provide me with bulleted notes of the whole long video. And the same goes with mind map. If I press on the mind map button, you get to see the whole video converted into one big mind map that you can download it in a PNG format. So the way I've been thinking about it is simple. Instead of treating a long class like something I have to watch from start to finish every time, I treat it like a resource library. I go through the class, use Hynote to help summarize and structure the information, and then end up with something I actually can use. Quick notes, clear takeaways, and a faster way to revisit ideas when I'm working on a design or planning a print-on-demand project. Hynote's own positioning is very much about turning raw information into usable output, and that's exactly why it fits this kind of workflow. Now let me show you the 3 free classes I think are worth saving if you're serious about learning print-on-demand. The first one is Alek's class, How to Start Print-on-Demand from Scratch in 2026. This one is a great pick if you want a broad roadmap because it's positioned as a full step-by-step course and it's over 10.5 hours long. It's a strong choice for beginners because it's framed around starting from zero, and the public course description makes it clear that it's meant to be a practical full learning resource rather than a just quick overview. So this is exactly the kind of class where summarizing key sections and turning them into notes can save you a lot of time. The second one is Meg Heckman and Chris Heckman's class, the only print-on-demand guide you need for 2026. This one is nearly 12 hours long, which already tells you how much content is packed into it. Even from the public listing alone, it's clearly positioned as an all-in-one guide. So for me, the value of a tool like Hynote here is obvious. If a class is that long, I don't just want to watch it, I want to be able to break it down into key lessons, revisit the important parts faster, and keep my learning organized. The third one is Shimmy Morris' class, Build a Profitable Print-on-Demand Business in Less Than 30 Days. This one is almost 12 hours and 50 minutes long, so again, a huge amount of material. What I like about this pick is the action-oriented promise in the title. It's not just about learning random print-on-demand ideas, it's framed around building something profitable in a structured way. And that's where note-taking matters most, because when a class is focused on action, you want the main steps, not just the motivation. For me, that's the real use case here. Hynote helps reduce the friction between watching and doing. Instead of thinking that class was helpful, but now I need to go back and find that one section again. I can turn the content into something more usable. And if I want to go a step further, Hynote also supports things like turning notes into more polished outputs such as slides, blog-style pages, podcasts, and infographics through its Publish Studio, which shows that it's designed not just for storing information but for helping you do more with it. So if you have been looking for free ways to learn print on demand, I'd definitely say save these 3 classes and go through them at your own pace. And if you want a smarter way to organize what you learn, summarize the important parts, and keep your notes usable, check out Hynote. I'll leave a link in the description below, in addition to links to all the 3 classes. And I would like you to tell me in the comments which kind of print-on-demand class you want me to recommend next, and I'll see you in the next one.